What? Jesus did all this while you guys were singing? That's right! You should have ran when you had the chance. You totally catched me off guard. Escape was never the plan. My friends, if I ran away from here tonight, I've been abandoned my mission. What is your mission? Making sure the men who arrested and jailed me, know that Jesus loves me. If that's your mission, then mission occurred. It's clear to me Jesus loves me very much for you to do what you did tonight. Please tell me how I can become a Christian. Nothing would make this secret agreement happier.